फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लेसन नंबर 3 द गिटार प्लेयर एंड द स्वयंवर के जो बी सेक्शन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है उनको कंप्लीट करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट फीलिंग अरोज इन द हार्ट ऑफ द पासर्स बाय आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू द म्यूजिक। कैसी फीलिंग आई उनके अंदर आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू द म्यूजिक। बोथ द पासर्स बाय fell in love with the girl and they expressed their desire to marry the girl. They were completely attracted by the physical beauty of the girl. Now we are moving to the second question. According to the girl, did the passers-by give the right answer? No. According to the girl, the passers-by did not give the right answer. They were only attracted by the physical beauty of the girl. Okay, they did not have any interest in the music of the girl. How did the girl react to the reply of the passers-by? The girl did not show any kind of reaction to the reply of the passers-by. She only chose a sad little tune according to the occasion because both of them could not give the right answer. Why were the passers-by greatly perplexed and confused? When the girl asked them, "Is it my music you love or me?" both the passers could not give the right answer. The whole night they thought, and the next day they came with their prepared speech. Still they were not able to give the right answer. What was the right answer according to the girl? According to the girl, she should be liked with all her talent, with all her skills and with all her arts. She should not be only liked for her physical beauty. Her talent should be respected by the passers-by. Now Swayamvar. What is the meaning of the word Swayamvar? Swayamvar is a kind of process of choosing husband by the bride herself. In the ancient time, the king organized a contest for finding a better match for his daughter. The winner of the contest was selected as the husband of the princess. Why did the parents grieve? Why did the parents worried? Okay, the parents were worried about the marriage of the girl because she continuously whistled. Both of them were thinking that who would marry a whistling girl. Both of them were very worried about the marriage of the girl. On what basis was princess finally able to choose her husband? When the princess beat all the shooters at the whistling, she asked a question to them. Do you acknowledge that you were beaten fairly? All of them did not accept it except one. That person was chosen by the princess as her future husband. Why did the parents tell the princess not to whistle? The parents were very worried about the marriage of the girl. That's why they advised the girl not to whistle, because the whistling is not categorized in the talent of the girl. They were worried about her marriage. They thought that nobody would marry a whistling girl. Why was the king displeased when the princess beat the shooters at the whistling? The king was displeased when the princess beat the shooters at the whistling because now he would not be able to find out the perfect match for his daughter. The main objective, the main motive of the contest was to find out groom for the girl. Whom did the princess choose as her husband and why? The person, the shooter who accepted his defeat publicly was chosen by the girl as her husband because he respected the talent of the girl. He accepted the talent of the girl. Okay, these are 11 questions जो आपको अपने नोटबुक में करने हैं. That's all for today. Have a nice day.